House passes supplementary grants of 42 departments for 2018-19 on second day of 7th budget session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly. Centre empowers Assam Rifles personnel to arrest a person in such a place without warrant in northeast states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. Fish farmers of Thinungai urge government to let people take care of birds instead of building a bird sanctuary at Thinungai Mamangpat. And Manipur observes International Mother Language Day with an aim to preserve and promote dialects of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. On the second day of the ongoing 7th budget session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly, the House passed the total budget for 42 supplementary demand grant for 2018-2019 to be utilized by various departments till March 2019. The demands grant amounts to 2,390 crore 4,51,000 rupees. The demands grant passed by the House includes State Legislature, Council of Ministers, Secretariat, Land Revenue, Stamps and Registration and District Administration, Finance Department, Transport Police, Public Works Department, Information and Publicity, Education, Medical, Health and Family Welfare Services, Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, Labor and Employment, Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills Development, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Cooperation, Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Dairy Farming, Environment and Forest, Community and Rural Development, Commerce and Industries, Public Health Engineering, Power Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Department, Youth Affairs and Sports Department, Election, Jails, Home Guards, Rehabilitation, Minor Irrigation, Fisheries, Panchayat, Sericulture, Water Resources Department, Arts and Culture, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Tourism, Science and Technology, Minorities and Other Backward Classes and Scheduled Caste Department, Relief and Disaster Management and Economics and Statistics. The highest grant was for the Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills Development, amounting to 262 crore 70 lakh and 41,000 rupees. The grant amount for the Water Resources Department is 239 crore 21 lakh and 33,000 rupees. For the Police Department, the amount is 143 crore 69 lakh and 25,000 rupees. For the Public Works Department, the amount is 146 crore 76 lakh and 77,000 rupees. The grant amount for Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development is 149 crore 6 lakh and 62,000 rupees. For the Public Health Engineering Department, the grant amount is 149 crore 90 lakh and 38,000 rupees. And for the Minorities, Other Backward Classes and Scheduled Caste Department, the grant amount is 172 crore 77 lakh and 68,000 rupees. On the other hand, the House passed excess grant amount of 1 lakh and 55,000 rupees for the Public Health Engineering Department for the year 2014-15. The House also today unanimously passed excess grants for 8 various demands for the year 2015-16 amounting to 510 crore 65 lakh and 80,000 rupees. Deputy Chief Minister cum Finance Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, with permission from the House, introduced the Manipur Appropriation No. 1 Bill 2019, the Manipur Appropriation No. 3 Bill 2019, the Manipur Appropriation No. 4 Bill 2019 and the Manipur Appropriation No. 5 Bill 2019 today. Seizing opportunity of the 0 hour in the Assembly session, Congress MLA R.K. Imo drew the attention of the Education Minister on the current upheavals regarding unavailability of school textbooks for students in elementary to high school level under the Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM. He urged the Education Minister not to deprive students of proper education and to look into the matter at the earliest. Raising the calling attention motion, Congress MLA Ranjit appeals to the Works Minister to repair Wangu Itai to Wangu Lupa Marup Road, which was constructed without maintaining quality under PMGS. He maintained that students appearing Class 10 and Class 12 examinations are facing difficulties due to the indefinite blockade of the deplorable road by irate local residents in demand for quality road repair. MLA K. Ranjit drew the attention of the Works Minister by stating that the substandard road repair undertaken by one contractor enraged the local residents. Responding to the calling attention motion, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assured to complete repair of the road by March 31st. Biswajit appeals to the local residents to withdraw the indefinite blockade of the road, considering the inconveniences facing the students and the general public.
Hariba Lambise, I estimate Sabal Lore 55.16 lakhs tie. Aduba, Hariba Peshaji cry the Gilago the gay Haba, Akogi Lady State keep Peshadaki to heck passion beyond the any other source the Pivia the to over the boy quick internet Ladyba package at the saving Lady postings the Gay State edition of Maloraga, Madu Tonaba Tauxi, Madu Honorable Leader of the Honorable Minister Gi, cannot do Tagalaga Mondos knowledge, Tamaga Madu Toraga, the Marilambi Sembayan and a Kana, Canaring a Nisha ban blockade Toxela Ipos. The Lambi Tong have a sea, Kuisha Kong Tangs, the quite the Kali was connectivity later the Punamak Tatkani. House of them assurance Pizaka commitment Tamjagadum. I Hachali, but 31st pass, Pokiman, the other Pog of the Suai, other Manunda Hariba, Lambisi, Queprojamiam, the Kusinagane.
The central government has given the personnel of Assam Rifles the power to arrest a person and search a place without warrant in the northeast states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. A news portal Northeast Now said as per a notification by the Home Minister of the rank corresponding to that of the lowest rank of the members of Assam Rifles has been given these powers under the Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC). As per reports, the notification further stated that the Assam Rifles personnel will exercise these powers and discharge their duties under subsection 1 of Section 41, Sections 47, 48, 49, 51, 53, 54, 149, 150, 151 and 152 of the CRPC within the local limits of the area comprised within the border districts of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland and Mizoram. Fish farmers of Thenungai urge the government to let people take care of birds instead of building a bird sanctuary at Thenungai Mamangpat. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Vice President of JSC against the announcement of bird sanctuary at Thenungai, Tongbram Nanao stated that 90% of the residents in Thenungai are fish farmers. He expressed apprehension that construction of a bird sanctuary over 103.10 hectare of land at Thenungai Mamangpat will create problems for fish farmers in the area and deprive their livelihood. Nanao acknowledged that the lake is home to both fishes and birds. However, he urged the relevant authority to build a proposed bird sanctuary at another suitable location. Taking part in the press meet, JSC Secretary Naurem Nabachandra refuted that claim made by United Committee of Thenungai on social media, which stated that people in the area raised no objection for the construction of the proposed bird sanctuary as false. He maintained that no public discussion on the pros and cons of building the bird sanctuary was ever held.
Thenungai da khoi na ngasi phawbada ingna chikna shanti oina hingba ngamiba asi karigino hairagadi loktak sigi mapanani akoiba ronda lokta aikogi khungi akoiba ronda aikogi thabak sunanabagi hak leite loktak leitrabadi aikogi punsi mangani aduna aikoi loktak ki punsi lokta asibu aikoi ngami singmi gi damak khallaga Thenungai mamangda leiriba mafam asibu aikogi damak Ningtamna akwai thabak sujage
United Committee Thenungai na social media da thadokhiba serol amada aikoi gi nga phabam di jamna lei Thenungai mamang se natarabasu maya impan phawba chatlaga nga phaba jai haiba wafam amasu pali tasengna hairabada Thenungai da nga phariba praja singsi nupi oibi kaya marum nupa kaya maram akoi sahi humbudra helaba ahal lamanjing sujauribani makoina matau karamna thinungai mamang pata maning tamna phajaramado thadoga maya imphal tana nga phaba satkedo masi oithokdaba aikoi ngami simmi singna matau karamna loktak pata tangjaduna hingli haibase khangdaba mioi khara khangna masagi oijaba thinabagidamta akoigi mayamda utsaibane haina lawi.
Manipur joined the rest of the globe in observing International Mother Language Day today. Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation Manipur held the observance on this year's theme given by UNESCO, Indigenous Languages Matter for Development, Peace, Building and Reconciliation at Manipur Press Club. Speaking on the sidelines, Director of the Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation L. Mahavir stated that the day was observed with an aim to preserve and promote dialects of various communities in the state. Seminar and poetry recitations were the main highlights of the event. Former head of Manipuri Department, DM College of Arts, Dr. Thokchom Ibohanbi, moderated a seminar where experts presented papers on various dialects of the state.
Aikoina sinjari sigi nungi oiba aikogi maru oiba paujel di karino haibabu aikogi ngangna riba imalol se nomu nomugi tapna aikogi masing handarakpa ngangna ba migi masing handarakpa haibadi lol se pixel lakpagi mong lakpa se masi tawdana bagi damakta aikoina imalon je hena yokhatna ba hena toina sinana ba madugi pandam amada aikogi sinari ba mioi sing mafamda paujel ma pija boina sinjabane.
Kabui Rongmei Dialect Research Committee also observed United Nations International Mother Language Day on the theme Speak Mother Tongue at Tarung Community Hall in Thangmaiban constituency today. Speakers in the event stressed on the significance of mother language in maintaining one's identity and culture. They also highlighted on the negative impact of elimination of mother language on the future generation. International Mother Language Day was also observed in various parts of Thoubal district today. English and Manipuri Department of Thoubal College jointly observed the day at the college staff conference hall. Khorirol Sandoglup Wangjing also observed the day at Wangjing Junior High School. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee is organizing a mass protest rally on March 3. Speaking to media at Hericon office in Palace Compound today, convener of the committee, L. Romesh, stressed the need to safeguard all indigenous communities of the state, especially the Meitei community. He said the rally will be organized demanding the state government to send a recommendation to the Center for Inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Romesh said that the rally will start at 10 a.m. from Thangmaiban Thau ground till Palace ground. He urged every indigenous inhabitants of the state to take part in the rally.
Yellow fruit amoy na matam amada Southeast Asia da mag empire si Pak sandokana China yogna sandok amba sunglaba empire sandok amba Meitei se ngasidi India da puluraba matung dagi akoi ngasidi mipaiba tukatpa amadi akiba kaya ama ikoi faruk community Assam da handak Lok Sabha na Assam gi community taruk yaukhiba loinana North East da constitutional protection pi daba North East da constitution gi safeguard laitaba du community se Meitei khutanga lakadoriba ahongba awonba mayam sidagi ikoi kanjahona bodama kalhona bodama lakadoriba tang ahum sida mass protest ama tawrakanda sarkar da atuba matamda central government recommendation thabiu habi ikoina taksan mi khongchat ama khap miyam satkadori.
Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operations at Pauna Bazar area of Imphal West district today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police T.H. Krishna Tombi, carried out search operations from Mahabir to Ibohal Cycle, Masjid to Gakulong and Maharani Bridge to Polo Ground from 7:50 a.m. to 8:51 a.m. A total of 537 persons were verified and 20 persons without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Meitei Council Moray today picked up 6 individuals from Bihar who allegedly stole golds on the pretext of making ornaments. Impact News also said 2 individuals from Bihar offered to refine gold jewelry of one woman in Moray. However, 2 days later, her gold jewelry started fading. Upon checking it with another goldsmith, it came to light that her gold was mixed with copper. The women then lodged a complaint to Meitei Council Moray. Acting on the complaint, volunteers of Meitei Council Moray picked up up the two miscreants identified as Lalan Saha and Tuna Kumar. President of Meitei Council More M. Thoiba Sat, acting on their confession for others who came along with them from Bihar, namely Dhuri Saha, Shravan Saha, Kashi Saha and Ramdev Saha, were also nabbed. Bishnupur district today held training for video surveillance team VST, video viewing team VVT, accounting team AT and media certification and monitoring committee MCMC, who are assisting in the Lok Sabha election at the district's Panchayat Resource Center and new mini secretariat complex. District Election Officer Imphal West in a press release urged every citizen who have attained 18 years to enroll their names in the electoral roll for the upcoming Lok Sabha election during this special camp to be held in every polling stations of Imphal West Assembly constituency on February 23 and 24. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on inconveniences facing government schools due to the ongoing cease work strike by SSA and Ramsa teachers. Keep watching Impact News. Time English News. Many government schools in the state are facing major inconveniences due to the cease work strike of SSA and Ramsa teachers, pressing various demands since February 4. Impact News came across many government schools facing difficulties due to lack of adequate teachers. Different classes were even found to be clubbed in a single classroom in some schools. Government school teachers expressed that full classes cannot be taken due to lack of teachers. While in some schools, Impact News came across youth volunteers taking class.
School Chachi have a program say was asking the school cadre Madu effect or Katabunina. School Chachi have a mission as he might pan Gaitari was asking problems in Jesus Holto Womadakale. Was asking demands in Maruena, Tamapan Taratolo Pangtawagi problems in Maruena, Kogi was asking Punchiro on the right to life. I am Tina Silence over Portamani Maruena, Angangi. Ming chen bagi lai bagi yamna problem lai ba matam
so angang sing duna sunga haita hangaga lai ba do khoi oja me am do karam kanda lakani khot kani haidana dum hangaga lai ba aduna mokhoi gi strike hauji hauji chathare ba sisu yamna thuna yasanna badi porak haningi
mama pa na angang sing si tharak panina khoi gi mama pa na government gi school da thajaram ba do moi je amu haura male kainom tawre ne sarkar gi school je oja su leite haibagi wakhalona ma phawba amadi angang kara iba singsina school do phul oina tawdrabani na oja leitabani na oja asangmana hanjan changba hanjan masak se uru leiraga tawda angang singsu mut leitaba mali.
Parents and guardians of students studying in government schools expressed disappointment that their children are being deprived of proper education due to conflicts between teachers and government. They expressed regrets over sending their wards to government schools in view of unavailability of school textbooks, even though the academic session commenced on January 16, coupled with the lack of teachers due to the cease work strike. Some parents are hopeless in the success of government's school Chatsi mission in the wake of such a scenario, while government school students yearn to get similar education in government schools like their well-to-do counterparts who are studying in expensive private schools.
Akoisu angang se phagadra government school da tamhanjarubani adubu phajana tambidramina akoisu private school da ngambangam thaningbai wakhal ama lae
akoidi sida laik tamge lakuni oja singi straight am tawsi akoi class su changnai na tawdre oja da sudabdagi aduna akoidi laira machani na laik tamasu private school na kangam dabnina sida government school lai oja singji moigi straight toripsi jajinaraga oja singji changnai na ka.
Manipur Human Rights Commission in a press release drew the attention of the government to keep a strict eye on the officials of the Education and Finance Department with regards to demand by SSA and Ramsa teachers for payment of their due salary. 25th Annual Games and Sports Meet 2018-19 of College of Agriculture and College of Food Technology, Central Agriculture University, CAU Imphal, kicked off today. Director of Instruction, CAU Imphal, Dr. S. Basanta, inaugurated the 3-day sports meet at CAU campus in Iroishemba. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. S. Basanta stated that CAU Imphal is at the 13th position out of the 74 Agricultural University of India. He credited the achievement to the efforts of students and professors of the university. The director believed that the sports meet will instill a spirit of competition among the students. He said the university is striving to make its students excel even in extra co-curricular activities over and above academic pursuit.
The importance of games and sports. After a long hectic classes, it gives you a break to refresh your body and mind. The university is trying hard to equip our students in extracurricular activities other than studies alone so that they become perfect citizens of the country. Not only in college level, we are also organizing inter-college youth festivals, youth parliaments, and etc. From this year onwards, we are planning to organize inter-college games and sports meet also in this university.
Welfare Association for the Blind Takhel held its 39th Foundation Day celebration today. Patsoi MLA A.K. Mirabai inaugurated a hostel for blind girls and presented the 13th Laishram Goramani Memorial Award for Visually Handicapped 2019 on the occasion. Speaking in the event, MLA Mirabai called upon everyone not to mistreat differently abled persons. She said there are many things a normal person can learn from a differently abled person. MLA Mirabai assured to bear expenses required for fencing the hostel constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund. She also assured to sponsor the salary of the hostel warden as long as she can. The 13th Laishram Goramani Memorial Award 2019, dedicated to the late father of Padma Shri Laishram Nabakishore, was conferred upon Mandakini Takilambam. Managing Director of HVS Construction Private Limited H. Vikramjit, Proprietor of Arun Enterprises, Neroka FC President T.H. Arun Kumar, Padma Shri Laishram Nabakishore and Census Operation Director Hare Krishna Mangsatabam were present in the event.
Tachengnamak aigoi lemoriba ngasigi lak manga dunati aigoi na yobangam dabanina land development tauna bohana bada tongan ba makangi masigi construction ji loisana bohana bada hauji powder round about kayam changa bage haibadugi total engon da leitri adubo hauji ki leriba waloriba fencing ase atuba matamda aigoi gi leriba aigoi gi yot aigoi kariyapta school sidokbada phangakpa aigoi yot khara leire aigoi leriba tongan ba macha khara leriba duga hapsale haraga masi atuba matamda fencing se ai choidana makki tawjarage haibasima ai mayamda tamjari.
12th Scientific Advisory Committee meeting was held at KVK Imphal East in Andro to discuss action plan for the constituency for 2019-20 today. KVK Imphal East organized a meet under Director Extension Education Central Agricultural University, Roishemba. Chairman of Scientific Advisory Committee, Professor M. Premjit, Principal Scientist of ICAR, Dr. A.K. Singh, Director Extension Education CAU, Dr. R.K. Sahu, officials of the relevant departments and farmers of the district attended the meet. Rajarshi Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur will observe the 221st death anniversary of Rajarshi Bhagyachandra at Dwarka in Gujarat from September 29 till October 1st. Speaking to media at the foundation office in Thauda Pabok Lekai, Segaro today, member of the foundation K. Brajamani stated that the foundation observes the memorial event of the late King of Manipur every year in various parts of the country in honor of all his contributions in promotion of arts and culture of the state. He mentioned that cultural items like traditional dance, thangta, wari liba, etc. will be performed during the memorial observance. He also said that ceremonial rituals will be performed at holy places of Gujarat as part of the observance. Brajamani appeals to contribute in making the event a fruitful one.
Rajarshi Bhagyachandra ke khudol ni launaraba sankirtan raslila aduga makha tarakpa gaurlila sansenba wari leba pung makhal singi cholom kaya thangta bhagavatam gita na chingba nainaba yauna ngamliba makhai pak sanna sandoktuna khangan ba haibase foundation gi pandam su oibanina kumsi gi oina Rajarshi Bhagyachandra gi chahi chani gi kunmathoi suba puinatithi Gujarat rajya gi manung chanba Dwarka da pangthokpa haina foundation na Warep Laure. Kalama sung Sanskriti bu nungsibi bimiwai singna iramdam gi tang laba pothok singa se malem pumba da khanganana hotna jariba foundation gi thabak thauram da tengbang pibiu राजर्षि भाग्यचंद्र
Apunba Civil Society Moirang to Torbung urged the government to monitor the fares charged by private passenger vehicle services like auto rickshaws, wingers and magic vans in the state. The association in a press release warned of agitations if the relevant authority fails to take measures against hyped fares by passenger vehicle services by the end of February. CADA held an academic awareness program on the negative consequences of intoxicants abuse on students at Covenant English School New Chekon in Imphal East today. Kanglek Park Students Association KSA Jiribam District Council resolved to take measures to curb intoxicants in Jiribam from this month. A mock drill on precautionary measure to be taken in times of natural calamities like earthquake and outbreak of fires was held at Bishnupur Public School ground today. IRCS Bishnupur branch and Imphal West organized the mock drill under the aegis of Indian Red Cross Society, International Federation Red Cross New Delhi and IRCS National Headquarters. Experts gave demonstrations on how to cope with natural calamities to students and local residents. Staffs of Bishnupur Fire Service, substation and personnel of Bishnupur Police took part in the mock drill. All Manipur Students Union AMSU in a press release stated that a joint meeting will be held on March 2 to discuss on election for new executive members of AMSU for 2019-21 session. All AMSU members are requested to attend the meeting. Now the sports news. Mairaba Luwang will lead the Indian junior team in two opening events of Junior International Grand Prix. The two events are Dutch Junior International and German Junior 2019. Badminton Association of India BAI announced the names of 20 selected badminton players for the Indian team to take part in the two events yesterday. It may be mentioned that Mairaba is the first position holder in junior rankings of boys single challenge in India. Gold medalist of Under 15 Asian Junior Championships, Samia Imad Faruqi will lead the women's team. FC Imphal will lock horns with Viv Sai Thamaiban in the final match of the first KC Sharma Memorial Veteran Football Tournament. In the first semi-final match played today at Sector Sporting Club Playground, FC Imphal defeated Flam Imphal 1-0 to enter the final. The lone goal of the winning team was scored by A. Dilip in the 19th minute of the match. In the second semi-final match, V. Sai Thamaiban defeated Musa Chekon 4-1. For the winners, Uttam scored 2 goals in the 20th and 34th minute of the match, and Ramesh scored 2 goals in the 39th and 41st minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Jofi in the 25th minute. 8 teams took part in the football tournament, jointly organized by KC Sharma Memorial Trust and Sector Sporting Club Sector under United Veteran Football Association of Manipur. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. House passes supplementary grants of 42 departments for 2018-19 on second day of 7th budget session of 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly. Centre empowers Assam Rifles personnel to arrest a person in such a place without warrant in northeast states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. Fish farmers of Tinungai urge government to let people take care of birds instead of building a bird sanctuary at Tinungai Mamangpat. And Manipur observes International Mother Language Day with an aim to preserve and promote dialects of Manipur.